Today I'm doing another What I Eat in the Day video on the Weight Watcher Points Plan. If you'd like to see what I eat in the day, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm going to take you along on what I eat in the day on the Weight Watcher Points Plan and anything kind of exercise that I get doing today. For breakfast, I went back to one of my old favorites, Stok iced coffee. And then for creamer, I used 1 point's worth of the Premier Protein, the coffee latte flavor, and that is really good and makes a really good iced coffee in the morning. I'm cooking up some turkey sausages for a breakfast bowl. I'm going to use one of those sausages for my bowl. And then I'm cooking some frozen hash brown potatoes, 2 points worth of that. I'm actually making them for me and my husband, but so that's why there's more potatoes. And I added some onions, and then I'm going to put the potatoes in a bowl, and I will add 1 point's worth of fat-free cheese. And then I am going to cut up one of the pieces of sausage in it. And then I top it with 2 fried eggs. And that breakfast is really good. 2 points for the potato, 1 point for the sausage, 1 point for the cheese, 0 points for the egg. And then I had a piece of toast with 0 points worth of sugar-free jelly and 1 point's worth of light butter. That is my breakfast this morning. It is 6 points. Along with the iced coffee would make it 7. For lunch, I decided to make an open-faced peanut butter sandwich. I used 2 pieces of Sara Lee Delightful Bread for 2 points, 6 points for 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. I used 1 tablespoon on each piece, and then on one of the pieces I added some sugar-free jelly, and then I also added a banana. For dinner, I made some tortellini soup. I used chicken broth and a little vegetable broth, all fat-free, reduced sodium. Added some onions and carrots, and then I cooked some of this tortellini that I bought at Aldi's right in it. This is 7 points for 1 cup, and it makes a really good hearty soup. Then I'm also making a Big Mac or burger salad. I started off by browning some 96% fat-free ground beef. I put some lettuce in bowls with pickles, onions, some fat-free cheddar cheese, and then I topped it with ketchup, mustard, and 1 point's worth of the G. Hughes burger sauce, and it paired up very good with the soup and made for a really good dinner. Taking a walk in the Metro Parks in Cleveland tonight, getting some steps in, back exercising, yeah! Beautiful. Ta-da! I like to come out and walk outside in the parks rather than just go to the gym all the time. Please comment below on what kind of exercise you like to get. I'd be interested to know. We got to get some exercise in, added to healthy eating to lose weight. I hope you all had a great day. After my walk, I had a bowl of watermelon for 0 points, and that is going to be the end of what I ate today. So that's going to be the end of my What I Eat in the Day video. I ended the day using 28 Weight Watcher points, which is a little bit below, so I have a carryover. I got some exercise in today, got some steps, ate good, so I had a good day. If you like this kind of video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.